An initial consultation is you're taking one of the largest financial decisions of your life. And who you're leaving that in the hands of is important. But the end goal, it can either be smooth or it can be crazy turbulent.
Yep.
And what we hear, you hear the horror stories, I hear the horror stories.
Yep.
At the end of the day, you're going to get, my product is a mortgage. You can get a mortgage anywhere.
Yeah.
You can get a mortgage online. You can get a mortgage at your bank or your credit union. That missing variable or my degree of separation is found within that initial consultation. And so what I cover in the initial consultation, one, I just want to listen. My number one job in that initial consultation is obviously I don't meet with anybody unless I've reviewed their credit and their financial situation. But after that, I ask questions, open-ended questions, and my job is to listen, and so that I can design and customize that mortgage to their needs, to their short-term and their long-term financial goals. Once we kind of have an idea there, we focus on budgeting. That's huge. I mean, from a mortgage standpoint, there's, let's just say, dozens of ways that you can tailor a mortgage that people don't realize.
Yeah.
Most people right now, and we see this at our homebuyer classes. There's a huge myth in the marketplace that you have to have 20% down to avoid PMI. To avoid paying private mortgage insurance, and that's not the case. And so, and that may not be the best strategic plan. What if you could put 10% down, avoid paying that monthly private mortgage insurance, and then take and reinvest that additional 10% elsewhere, and you're diversifying your money. So
exactly.
So that's a big part of the initial consultation. The other part of that initial consultation is, and this is huge, a lot has changed and a lot is changing in our industries. Right now we have appraisal issues. We have a shortage of appraisals for the amount of volume that's happening that's going on right now. So appraisal turn times have gone from 7 days to literally 20 to 25 days.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
Yeah, you've got, in the last year, you've got Fannie Mae rolled out their Fannie Mae collateral underwriting in regards to, it's an automated system that takes the property address and the appraisal report. You've got TRID that was rolled out about a year ago, which is the new closing disclosure format.
Adds an extra 3 days.
Yeah, and you have to understand, the consumer doesn't get this. So you have to understand those processes. We cover that in that initial consultation so that there's awareness, but they know what to expect next.
Okay, so I want to talk about, and I think that is very important. I want to talk about the